Hi everybody. This is the Phoenix7. These are carbon fiber meters. These are carbon fiber racing seats. These are carbon fiber door panel. These are MEISTER wheels. I like this button.
Why?
Because it opens the second light.
Show me.
Like, watch. See? Look, behind. It has a Corvette engine. I got new parts for the Phoenix7. These are the parts get installed from the Phoenix7. These are RX7 format. This is a RE-Amemiya big exhaust. These are 99 SPEC tail lights. This is a NARDI steering wheel. This is a dash. This is a dash cover. This is a carbon spanner center paddle. This is small carbon fiber pieces. This is a carbon filter, pro diffuser. This is a MAZDASPEED forklift.